A raspberry spider reminds me of my childhood. Every Thursday night, Mum and Dad would take us up to the local RSL and we were allowed this treat. It is so good. And to be honest, I haven't had one for such a long time, so let's make one. I'm going to make a homemade one using fresh raspberries. So we need to make like a raspberry coulis. So 2 punnets of raspberries into a pan, and I want to cook them so we get a really concentrated raspberry flavour. I don't want to blend them without giving them a bit of heat so they've got that intense flavour. So in they go, and then we've got this on about a medium heat. Now I'm just going to start crushing these, and I won't add any sugar to it, but what I will add is some lemonade. So a splash of the lemonade, and then we're just going to crush that. And you want to cook this for a few minutes until they break down completely. And straight away you can smell the raspberries. These don't take long at all to cook. Look at that vibrant colour. So good. Now what we're looking for is a deep red colour and for all of these raspberries to be broken down. See, takes no time at all. So we'll turn that off. And now I'm going to blend this into a puree. So into a blender. And while it's still hot, we'll pop that in. Seeds and all. And give that a good blend until it's smooth. That smells so good. Now you can pop this in your glass with the lemonade and the ice cream now, but if you want to make this extra smooth, just pop it through a sieve just like this, and then with a metal spoon. It's much easier to do with a metal spoon. So you just want to force this through to get that extra smooth result. Okay, that's enough. Just scrape down the base of that. Look at that. So good. This is just fantastic over ice cream. Even better in a spider. So let's get our glass and the ice cream. And I like to serve this in a chilled glass like this. So we're going to place our ice cream in first. Just good old vanilla bean ice cream. Going to add 2 scoops. 1 and 2. And then we'll add our raspberry coulis, a few spoonfuls over the top. And then we're going to submerge it in lots of lemonade. Woo! Look at that. And then with our straw, this is the best part, is just mixing everything together so it goes really pink. Squishing it, squashing it. I love how we can still see the stain of the raspberry. You can have a taste. Oh, that is amazing. This is why I love cooking so much, because there's so much nostalgia behind it. Just one taste of that raspberry, that ice cream and the lemonade transports me all the way back to those younger days at the RSL.